Hello friends, in part 3 of chapter 3, life processes in living organism. Today we are going to learn sexual reproduction in human beings. Sexual reproduction in human beings. Men have XY sex chromosomes while women have XX sex chromosomes. Due to this, specific organs are developed in male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So first we have learned here human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of testes, various ducts and glands. Testes are present in the scrotum. Scrotum is present outside the abdominal cavity. Testis contains numerous seminiferous tubules, germinal epithelium, divide by meiosis and form sperms. Those sperms are pushed forward through rete-testis, vas efferens, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and urinogenital duct. The sperms are pushed forward from one duct to the next duct. They become mature and able to fertilize the ovum. Seminal vesicles secretes in ejaculatory duct, while prostate glands and Cowper's glands secretes in urinogenital duct. Semen is formed and it is ejaculated out through penis. All the organs of male reproductive systems are paired except urinogenital duct, penis and scrotum. Length of each epididymis is about 6 meter and the length of sperm is 60 micrometer. Such a sperm crossed the distance approximately 6.5 meter in male reproductive system. Sperm needs large amount of energy and fructose is present in that semen. Now second point, human female reproductive system. Human female reproductive system. All organs of female reproductive systems are in abdominal cavity. It consists of pair of ovaries, oviduct, Bartholin glands, and uterus and a vagina are in single. Every month an ovum release in abdominal cavity alternative from each ovary. Free end of oviduct is funnel-like structure and oocyte is enter in the oviduct, the beginning which is present at the center of the oviduct. Cilia are present on the inner surface of the oviduct. They push the oocyte towards uterus. Then third point, gamete formation. Third point, gamete formation. Sperms and ovum are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in testes at the beginning of maturation or maturity, means puberty, till death. म्हणजे स्पर्म्स हे टेस्टिस मध्ये तयार होतात केव्हापासून, त्या मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम्स मध्ये जेव्हा ते प्युबर्टी म्हणजे प्रौढावस्थेमध्ये येतात अप टू द टिल डेथ, म्हणजे जेव्हापर्यंत तो मेल मरत नाही तेव्हापर्यंत. इन वुमेन at the time of the birth 2 to 4 million immature oocytes are present in the ovary. An oocyte released from the ovary at the beginning of maturity, means puberty, up to the age of menopause. Menopause means about 45 to 50 years of age. Secretions of hormone either stops or become irregular. Then the next point, fourth point, is fertilization. Fertilization. Sperms and ovum are fused together and form a zygote. It is called as fertilization. Semen is ejaculated in vagina during copulation. In semen, sperms are in few millions. They start their journey from vagina to uterus and uterus to oviduct. Or one of those sperms fertilized with a ovum present in oviduct. It means only 400 oocytes are released out of 2 to 4 millions, and remaining oocytes are degenerate. Thank you very much. Now, in next video, we will see the menstrual cycle.